Hi everyone, in this video I will present this tutorial how you can install Android 10 in your iOS device. Remember, you must have one iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, and for iPod is only applicable for iPod 7 generation. First thing you need to do is clone Project Sandcastle. For that you need to use the Git. If you don't have Git, you need to install using apt-install. After that, you need to compile load-linux. You can find this file under the folder Project Sandcastle loader. Now you have the file compiled. If it is missing the USB library, you need to install using apt-get install. Now you need to make it executable. Okay. After this, you need to download the Android to run over Project Sandcastle. And you can find this in this website. Okay, you need to extract that. And move all the content to the loader folder. Okay, now you need to copy isetup to your iOS device. Remember, you need to have jailbreak in this point. For this action, you can use many different options to send this file. In my case, I will use the pscp command, but you can use Dropbox, you can send to over WhatsApp or Gmail, emails, and anything else that makes sense for you. Remember that the full password in this case for SSH is Alpine. Now we need to change the permission for this file and execute that. You have many other ways to do this. I use SSH client. You can use your terminal in your iOS device if you want. So first thing, you need to access temporary folder. Okay, now we need to run. This will take some minutes. Done. Remember, to do all those steps you need to have jailbreak, and you must run checkran jailbreak version higher than 981. Here we are using 982. Now you need to put your Apple device in DFU mode. Okay, and to do that you can find you can get any tutorial from the web. After that, if you already have your device in DFU mode, you need to run this command chmod cp. Okay, in this point, your Apple device will boot in pangoOS. Okay, now you have your system running pangoOS. Now you just need to send the Android package to there using the load library that you have compiled before. In this point, if everything runs fine, you see the logs and the comments that are executing your iPhone or iOS device. After this, the system will boot up on Android system. Remember to leave from Android. You just need to reboot the system, and after this they will come back to iOS.